Hey guys, so today we're going to be making some more white slime, just plain white slime. So what you'll need is some Elmer's white glue. I'm using a gallon of Elmer's glue, and Arm & Hammer pure baking soda, and some Bosch aluminum sensitive eyes plus gentle saline solution. So, yep. Let's get started. So, Daisy, let me go check if my cat has water. Hold on. Daisy. She's following me back in here after I filled up her bowl. Okay. So whatever. She probably just wants to hang out. Come on, Daisy. Daisy, come here. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is I'm gonna use a cup, but you can use any type of container, a bowl, whatever. Daisy, come on, you gotta move. Come on. I'm gonna put her on the bed. Go, buddy. Go. Okay, so first I'm gonna pour some glue into the cup or whatever you're using. This glue every time it dries on the lid. And so it creates like a little seal, like, you know, Gatorade bottles have that plastic thing. Whatever. So I'm actually just gonna pour a big batch and then just split it up. This is right there. It's plenty. Okay. So you did. Now I poured a ton of glue. It looks like some milk, but I'm not gonna pour it over too much because then it's gonna fall out. So I'm gonna get some of my baking soda and I'm just gonna pour some in my hand and then get a pinch or so of it. Okay, that's plenty. So I'm just gonna get it in my hand and break up it, or depending on how much you have. I know that this will all be needed. Now I didn't mean to taste that baking soda. Let me just stir it in with this, and there's so much slime. There's so much glue. I'm probably gonna have to have some more. There we go. That's probably a little bit. Just leave it at that for now because. And now we're just gonna pop this contact solution up and then pour it in. It's probably good right now. So now you just have to stir it. I actually don't know what. This one probably needs some more baking soda. Okay, we're just gonna stir this in for a while now. And it's getting closer. Not exactly there yet though. So I need to add a little bit more. Now we stir this in. But this isn't necessarily. Now let's try it. It's not really like. It's just really liquidy and it's sticky. You see that? So to solve that, we should probably add some more of this contact solution. I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll be back. Well, you know what? Just wait, Landon. Okay, let's see. Okay. The spoon has been eaten alive, literally. Okay. Yeah, this is craziness. Oh, this is slime. Okay, so if you can get a little bit of the slime that you made out, and this is the test. So, if you have like glue and stuff on your hands, use that little piece to get it all off. If that works, which I'm still doing it. And this is cleaning you off, so you don't have to wash your hands either. So, okay, so I cleaned off my hands almost perfectly. Perfect, almost, whatever. You can't make your hands perfect, but nothing will make your hands perfect. But and if it can stretch pretty far, I mean, it's gonna rip at some point because it can't go like, hold on. So if you can roll it up like a snake and just keep rolling it, and you can pull it a little bit, and then it goes down pretty far for that tiny batch, and you can like just stretch it. Hold on, if you can like make a bubble with it. This is a little tiny piece and it's tiny piece for me to be able to making a bubble. But there's like, as long as you can stretch it and you can pull it over, and you can hear that sound, it's probably good. So now that I get that, I'm gonna get the whole container of it. You're just gonna stir it up again, so you can get it in a pretty big piece. I'm gonna go get another cup to put it into, so it's not like all glue and sticky. So, sorry, I'm gonna play with this while I'm there, on the way there. So, I'm gonna put this one out, and now you're gonna get this slime, or I'm doing this, you don't have to. I'm gonna put it into a separate little cup. Now the sticky stuff is coming out of the cup. Now I'm just gonna let this part. Good. Now this is just like pure glue, literally. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. That's what it is at the bottom. So you have to do it in separate increments. Got that done. Now we're gonna add some more baking soda to the bottom part, because apparently I didn't get enough of that stuff. Transition the spoon over. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Now we're gonna add some contact solution, and we're just gonna stir the cup up more. Now we got slime. See? Now we're just gonna. This is crazy, literally, just pure craziness. Put the spoon in the other cup and grab this out. This is kind of overactivated, but it's okay because it will even out in the end, I guess. Maybe not. And this is what I got from the bottom half. So now, it's a mess right here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put everything in that cup, and then we're just gonna take this spoon out and out. And now we're just gonna get the whole blob out of slime. Blob of slime out. This is a pretty big batch. I can't get it all out in one. Okay, whatever. This is like a little bit of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some. Oh my gracious, thank the good Lord. Okay. So now I'm gonna go get. I'm gonna go get some Ziplocs so I can get some for my friend. Okay, I got this in the bag. So this is about like for what I'm gonna get to my friends, because this is a lot and they just want a little bit. So yeah, so this is actually gonna be this is a really good one. So I'm gonna put this in a bag. And then I'm gonna get this thing and just get this stuff out of the bottom of the cup, which is probably overactivated. Slime. Okay, so now from the cup that has this slime in it, not the mixing cup, but the one that we poured it in, you don't have to do that part. You don't have to pour it in the zipper cup, but I did. I don't even know why, but I did. So I'm gonna get the rest of the slime out the cup. Okay, so now you just have to get it together. Okay, so now we're just gonna split it up. Okay, this is gonna be okay, so this is a little batch, so it's a mess in here. Okay, after this, I'm definitely cleaning up on the video. Might actually, I don't know though. Okay, this is gonna be a smaller batch, so it's gonna be like they can just figure it out by themselves. So this is gonna be a tiny batch for whoever, because I don't know if my other phone wants any. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm there taking some dogs to the vet.
Okay. So I'll be here. Okay, so now I have the 3 bags ready for tomorrow Today's Sunday, by the way. And now I'm just gonna clean up. So first, I'm gonna end this video, and I'll go clean up in another. Just clean up. So bye. Thanks for watching.